Hello, this Z650 rear seat covering, rear seat cover that I bought from Shopee. I'm going to do an unboxing. This is how it looks like. Says here Z650 or Ninja 650. I don't know what does the writing stands for. This is it, the rear seat cover for Z650. Alright, this is a Kawasaki Z650 rear seat cover. You turn the bike into a single seater. You replace the rear seat, the cushion. It's actually a plastic ABS type. Okay, and it comes with this accessory, the rubber materials, the rubber grommets, and some fixture. So let's try to check with to compare it with the original rear seat. How do I fix that? Okay, this is the original rear seat. Let's compare it. Okay, so basically it has this for the locks to latch on. And what I will need to do now is to fix these rubber grommets. I believe they are all the same sizes. Yeah, it's quite hard to go in. Okay, let me do off the camera. So the 4 rubber grommets, 1, 2, 3, 4 installed here in place, and 2 rubber strips here, one on each side, and there are another 2 rubbers which I'm not so sure, but I'll place it somewhere in the motorbikes. Okay, let's see how this fits to the rear seat of the Kawasaki Z650. With the 4 grommets installed, you can see that there are some gaps there. This is from another fellow Z650 owner. He also faced the same problem with the gaps after installing the rear seat cover. So what I did was to remove the 2 rubber grommets at the back and refit it again, and it fit perfectly without the gaps. Okay, that's it. I hope it doesn't vibrate when I ride. Thanks for watching.